Hey yo, this is Pocky, your design pro. Welcome to this episode of Revit. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to place your work or your drawings on sheets and how you can save them as a PDF. This has been a question from most of you guys. You want to know how you can save your work on sheets, and perhaps print them out as PDFs. So with me, this is my floor plan. This is some project. It is incomplete, but it can give us a picture of what we want. So let us start right away. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as helps me grow the channel, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. So I'm going to start by loading the title block family into my project. So how do I do that? So I'll simply come to the project browser under sheets, right click. I'm going to create a new sheet. These are the sheets already created, but I want to show you how you load. So you simply come here, click on load. After that, you have to look for your title blocks. Your title blocks are in your libraries, but this depends where you saved your libraries, then you have to look for them. So if I try to preview this and go back, mine are under libraries. Let me say this. So I'll just simply come under libraries, metric library. Then I can find my title blocks. My title blocks are right here. So we have quite a number of paper sizes. We have from A0, A1, A2, 3, and then A4. But to choose the paper size, that depends on what kind of drawings that you're going to produce and how big perhaps your project is. So for me, I'm going to use A3. I'm just going to have a presentation drawing. So I'll choose A3. I like to use that for presentations and maybe perhaps A2. And then for A1 and A0, that is for submission drawings. And just in case you have in mega big projects, you can use those paper sizes. So I'm going to choose my A3 metric. Then it will simply load into the project, but I think I'd already loaded it. So I'm going to override. Then I'll show you the settings. I'll override this existing one. Then I'll say OK. So for this, you can edit the title block family. You simply click on it, then come here, edit family. Then you can go with what you don't want. I can remove this Autodesk Revit. So for this part, you can put here your company details. Then we have here the client's name, the project name, sheet number, then the date this side plus the scale. So I'm going to load this into my project. I'll override this. You see, this disappears from here. But from the other side, if you can put your company details, they'll simply appear here. So I edit here my client. My client is Mr. Kondi. Then for the project, 4-bedroom house. Then for the name, this is what I'm going to put on this sheet. So for this sheet, it is going to have a floor plan. Let me name this as floor plan. Floor plan. Then for the number, I can change this A301. I'll have it at that. Then here you can see the date. It gives you the exact date and time. Drawn by. You can change this. Maybe Mr. Kondi. You can do those simple edits on it. So I'm going to drag or to place my ground floor plan on this first sheet. I'll simply come under the floor plans. Then I click on this ground floor. I simply come, drag it right here. It has perfectly fit on this sheet 1. But then other adjustments you can do, you can change the scale as well. So if you simply click on it, you come here, you edit the scale, you can put it 1 to 100. You see it changes, but then we have a lot of space. We can go with 1 to 50. Actually 150, let me see how it looks like. I'm sure this is way bigger. This is way bigger. So we shall go with the 175. So when you drop here, 175, you shall just customize it. Come up here, click on custom, then write this to 75 and apply. So you have something like this. Then I'm going to create another sheet as well. I'll come right click on this, create new sheet. Yeah, and I say okay. For this one, I'm going to have my south and east elevations. Yeah, you can see the sheet number changes. It is 8302. So I'll come still under my elevations. I expand this. Let me have my south elevation first. It's right here. Perfect. If you want to change the scale, you do the same. You simply come, click on it, then adjust the scale from here. But we are using 175. So I'll come back, get my east elevation. I'll simply click on it. I drag it and place it right here. Then next, let me create another sheet as well. Come right click, new sheet. I'll say okay. For this one, I'm going to name this as north and west elevations. So the more you keep creating new sheets, the number also increases. So this is now our sheet 3, and this is the time. Yeah, it also changes as well. Yeah, then I'll come, drag my north elevation. I place it there. I do the same for the west elevation. I put it right there. Yeah, so basically that is how you place your drawings on the sheets. Next, I want to print out this or to create a PDF for this. So I'll come here and click on print, or I can simply type Ctrl P on the keyboard. That's the shortcut for printing. So I come, click on print. Then for the settings, under file, I'm going to combine multiple selected views, stock sheets into a single file. That is okay. Then print range, current window. If you leave current window, that means it will only print this sheet that is displayed. So I'll come and activate the selected views, stock sheets. I come back here. I combine this. Then I'll have to select the sheets I want. Come here under multiple. I'll first untick this. I leave sheets. And I come select all the sheets that I want to appear as a single PDF. Come here, select. Then under setup, this is where you can do other changes. If you want it portrait, you simply click on portrait, but we shall leave it in landscape. Then center as well, we are going to fit to page. Yeah, for these other changes you can leave. Then under the quality here, you can leave it in high or presentation. Yeah, I simply leave it in high. Then under colors, you can put it in black lines, grayscale, or color. But let us go with color. Then I'll say okay to this. Then after I close off this, I browse it to my desktop. Yeah, that's where I want it to appear. So I'm going to save this as Kondi 4-bedroom house, 4-bedroom. Then the format, it is a PDF. Yes, so I'll simply come save this. Yep, so this is the PDF created, as you can see. Let me first expand it a bit. So we're having our floor plan on sheet 1, then our elevations on sheet 2 and sheet 3. Yeah, so basically this is how you can place your work on sheet and then you create a PDF out of it. Yeah, for those who found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up by liking it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.